there. This is a little video to show you how to create a hover effect for a image. So these are all images you have on your home page. And what I've done is in the first one, if you hover your mouse over it, you can see you've got the blue bottle. No link, just a hover. And the next one doesn't have it, the hobobo bottle. So I'm going to replace that image with a hover image. So what I've done is I've logged into your website and I went to the page which we're looking at here, which is basically the home page. So I've got that one here. Now the difference is that the module we have for the hobobo image is that an image module, and the hover is an image overlay module. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look at the settings for that image, and I will copy that bottle, although I can select it as well, but I'll just copy that to make it easy. And then under here I'll click Insert Module, and instead of using the image module I am using the image overlay module, which is this one here. And what that does, it gives us the ability to have the normal image, and I'll just paste that in there, but it'll also give us the ability to have an overlay image. So upload an image, and then I'm going to scroll through till we get to the hobobo image, which is that one there. That's the normal one, and that is the blue one. So I click on that, select that, and I say set as image. So what we've got now is at the top here we've got the normal image, and then at the bottom here we've got the blue image you want to have. The only thing I'm doing is I'm changing the animation to fade in, because otherwise it's going to slide in and it's going to look a bit funny. So if I click on save and exit, and then I take that image overlay module, drag it all the way to the top, which then effectively will replace that one if I delete that one there. Alright, so have a look if we do preview changes. Have a look in the tab here. And remember, we had the first bottle with an overlay, but the second bottle didn't. Ooh, that's the wrong bottle. That's alright, that's a good lesson. So it works, it's just the wrong bottle. So I go back to the edit page, go image overlay, just gotta remember the hobobo bottle, and this is the overlay image, so I click on that. I'm just gonna scroll down. So we chose that one, and it should have been that one. Perfect. Okay. Click on set as image, and you've got all the images with the right dimension, so that's perfect. Click on set as image, click on save and exit. That would have updated that module there. And if I click on preview changes here, now we will see that the burbo has got blue and the hobobo has got blue if you hover over it. And the last thing you just do is do the update button here, which will update that whole page. So if I quickly recap what I did for the third column, which would make it easy for you, is I first opened up the one we're going to replace, and I copied the original image, which is the Hesperides. I inserted a module which is a image overlay, not an image. I paste in that image, Hesperides, and then the overlay image URL. I find that somewhere down here. I think that's the same. Perfect. Set as image, save and exit, and then preview changes again to make sure that that's correct. Oh, the only thing I didn't do is take that image overlay and drag it to the top there and delete the old one. We don't need that. So another preview changes. So now we've got bottle number 1 with a nice 2 and 3. Perfect, they all work fine, and I'll click on update. Give that a go and see how far you get with that, but it's really not very difficult, and if you do get stuck, just let me know. Alright, thanks very much, bye.